Hi, today I'm gonna show you how you can get Chinese TikTok or Douyin. So if you're on Android, we can just download the APK, and to make it easy, we're just gonna go to Google and we're gonna search Douyin APK like this, right? So on Douyin APK, you just want to go to any one of these websites. I'm just going to APK Pure. Now this is not illegal, right? You're just downloading the APK. So let's just click on download APK here. And since it's not paid either, we're not really pirating anything, right? Since it's already free anyways. So after you click on download there, you just want to scroll down, right? And then click on download APK on this one. Now again, just wait, click on download, and then it'll be downloading for a couple of seconds. It's quite big, it's about 258 megabytes. So let's just wait for it to download. Now once it's downloaded, let's just install the APK. Let's click on this, and then you'll see, let's just click on install. Let's wait for it to install. Now after it's installed like this, maybe some of your phone might run a system scan of it, but let's just wait for it to continue. Now after that, you'll see that the app is fine. Let's click on open. And then we have Chinese Douyin or Chinese TikTok installed in our phone. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.